CHZ in a real sense faces opposition at 20 cents, which sort of is very huge. CHZ down roughly 9.47% inside the by and large truly most recent 24 hours and in every way that really matters, huge way. CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath a mat in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz by and large shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which especially is very critical. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and in a real sense sort of attempt to answer these much of the time sort of sought clarification on pressing issues. What fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Chiliz. Certainly generally is CHZ an excellent speculation, which especially is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping decently extremely profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, in every practical sense, generally let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the actually certainly last 24 hours. There most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,36850,397,543, or so they certainly thought. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $47,516,158,315 in a decently kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way, which by and large especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in a quite huge manner, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP quite is somewhere near 6.93 and presently exchanging at 42 cents, showing how Chiliz basically explicitly shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an exceptionally significant manner, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly basically is very critical, or so they really thought. These occasions fundamentally show that the market truly is going in a kind of descending course for exceptionally present moment, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a sort of broad especially quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, sort of additional appearance how Chiliz in every practical sense shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an exceptionally large manner in a significant way. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially sort of recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. In every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking, support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become kind of more genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants by and large truly become move in every practical sense, truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of kind of higher in a very genuinely enormous manner. Following sort of especially are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz truly is at 11 cents, down 9.47% in the beyond 24 hours and generally especially has a value change of 10.41% over the course of the week. Truly further appearance how Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense fundamentally is $69,905,796.00 while certainly by and large all-out market cap came to $793,077,904 exhibiting how similarly, obstruction in every practical sense generally is a level at which vendors for the most part generally become move most certainly dynamic and actually by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly commonly higher in an unpretentious manner. They're in every practical sense. Basically are practically 6,965,647,158 sort of in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which basically shows that Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a truly significant manner. Chiliz Value Investigation CHC Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a by and large beautiful day-to-day time span commonly made sense of beneath all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. We utilize essentially kind of relative strength index, moving extremely kind of normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially truly straightforward moving fundamentally in every practical sense, normal and remarkable moving commonly normal to all things considered, dissect the future development of the Chiliz in a decently large manner, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The exceptionally relative strength record for CHZ coin generally is presently floating at 28 for 14 days certainly normal line, which by and large means CHZ explicitly generally is an oversold zone and a pattern entirely inversion especially is conceivable, exhibiting that however prior to jumping pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination. Let us explicitly discuss the very certainly current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. The Chiliz in every practical sense has truly break all its sort of supports levels and things generally are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, a truly broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Entirely further appearance how Chiliz all things considered truly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner, which truly is genuinely huge. Presently, explicitly bears basically in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part really take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, all things considered, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The CHZ USD moving kind of normal combination and disparity pointer in a real sense is demonstrating a pretty in every practical sense, momentary sort of sell in every practical sense. Truly signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath extremely signal line which basically implies generally bears super are ruling on the lookout, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely enormous manner. While CHZ's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange very signal basically in every practical sense is somewhat especially conceivable at this reach, which sort of generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense truly is very critical. And the worth of CHZ certainly is persistently unloading yet it truly is normal that help levels at 17 cents and 15 cents will go about as essential focuses and especially bob the pattern line